This video shows two top 10 two-floor house elevation designs with Vastu floor plan. Now see the designs. Elevation number 1. East facing house. Plot size is 23 feet 9 inch by 40 feet 9 inch. Site area is 970 square feet. Build up area 1940 square feet. 3 BHK house. Elevation number 2. East facing house. Plot size is 22 feet 3 inch by 40 feet. Site area 890 square feet. Build up area 1780 square feet. 3 BHK house. First floor is a rental purpose. Elevation number 3. South facing house. Plot size is 34 feet 3 inch by 38 feet. Site area is 1300 square feet. Build up area 2600 square feet. 3 BHK house. Kitchen is northwest corner. Elevation number 4. East facing house. Plot size is 43 feet 3 inch by 43 feet 3 inch. Site area 1870 square feet. Build up area 3800 square feet. 4 BHK house. Elevation number 5. North facing house. Plot size is 24 feet 9 inch by 41 feet. Site area 1015 square feet. Build up area 3050 square feet. Inner staircase provided to this plan. Elevation number 6. East facing house. Plot size is 27 feet 3 inch by 33 feet. Site area 900 square feet. Build up area 1200 square feet. 2 BHK house. Elevation number 7. West facing house. Plot size is 24 feet by 33 feet. Site area 800 square feet. Build up area 1300 square feet. 2 BHK house. Elevation number 8. West facing house. Plot size is 26 feet by 33 feet. Site area 850 square feet. Build up area 1700 square feet. 3 BHK house. Elevation number 9. East facing house. Plot size is 22 feet 3 inch by 36 feet 3 inch. Site area 800 square feet. Build up area 1600 square feet. 4 BHK house. Elevation number 10. North facing house. Plot size is 28 feet 3 inch by 34 feet. Site area 960 square feet. Build up area 1920 square feet. 3 BHK house. Thanks for watching.